Ready to hit the road, every beginner motorcyclist needs the right gadgets to ensure safety and enhance the riding experience. From smart helmets to handy tools, these essential items can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Number 10. ROCKBROS Motorcycle Tool Bag. Stylish and functional, this motorcycle tool bag offers both durability and practicality for riders. Made from shock-resistant materials, it provides excellent protection for your belongings, while its sleek design adds a cool aesthetic to your bike. With ample space, it accommodates essential repair tools, keys, wallets, and more, all organized tidily. Its water-resistant fabric ensures your items stay dry during wet conditions, and the laminated zipper further protects against rain. Installation is straightforward with 4 adjustable straps, securing the bag quickly and firmly. Symmetrically designed for both sides of the motorcycle, it increases storage capacity without compromising its appearance. Additionally, the reflective logo enhances safety during night rides, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures. Number 9. LISEN Motorcycle Phone Mount. This phone mount is an essential gadget for any motorcyclist, designed for enhanced stability on rough terrains. Its shock absorption system has been upgraded with 6 absorbers in a circular layout, ensuring your phone remains steady even on bumpy rides. Equipped with all-around silicone protection, it secures your device without friction, keeping it safe and in place. Installation is hassle-free and tool-free, simply locking onto the handlebar in seconds. A dual lock structure allows for easy one-handed operation, letting you access your phone while riding without compromising security. The mount accommodates phones of various sizes, fitting models up to 7 inches with a 20mm thickness. Its broad compatibility makes it suitable for motorcycles, bikes, scooters, and more, ensuring versatile usage across different vehicles. Number 8. KRONOX Motorcycle Backpack. Ideal for beginner riders, this versatile backpack combines functionality with a sleek design, offering both comfort and style on every ride. Its aerodynamic hardshell reduces drag, ensuring smooth travel without compromising your look. The expandable feature adapts to different storage needs, making it perfect for daily commutes or longer tours. With a secure helmet holder, riders can stow away their helmet easily without the need for an extra bag, keeping everything in place whether on the road or parked. Inside, you'll find organized compartments for essentials, including a padded laptop section, a tablet pocket, and various smaller pockets for accessories. Pair this backpack with additional tail bags to maximize storage for your motorcycle journeys, ensuring everything stays organized and secure during your trips. Number 7. KEMIMOTO Tactical Gloves. A must-have for beginner motorcyclists, these versatile gloves offer protection and comfort. Made with reinforced microfiber material, they provide excellent impact resistance, shielding your hands from cuts and abrasions during rides. Designed for ease, the gloves feature touchscreen capability on 3 fingers, allowing you to operate devices without removing them. Built for durability, the gloves use double-stitch seams and anti-slip mesh on the palms for better grip and longer wear. Ventilation is enhanced with rubber air vents at the finger joints, ensuring your hands stay cool and dry, making them ideal for various outdoor activities. With adjustable straps for a secure fit, these gloves combine safety, functionality, and comfort, making them an essential accessory for new riders. Number 6. ILM Vintage Full Face Modular Motorcycle Helmet. A versatile helmet is essential for beginner motorcyclists, offering both safety and comfort. This model meets DOT standards, ensuring it provides top-level protection with its ABS outer shell and high-density EPS foam interior. Its unique 180-degree reversible chin guard allows for multiple configurations, from full face to open face, adapting to different riding needs. Equipped with 2 visors, one tinted and one clear, the helmet enhances visibility while protecting against scratches. The removable cheek liners add convenience, being washable and replaceable for hygiene. With a 3-vent system, airflow is optimized to keep riders cool during off-road adventures. The helmet also features speaker pockets for communication devices and a slot for eyewear, allowing riders to wear glasses comfortably. Number 5. WD Motorsports Vegas 1.0 Motorcycle Jacket. For beginner motorcyclists, safety and comfort are key, and this all-season jacket delivers on both fronts. Designed with CE-approved armor at the elbows, shoulders, and back, it provides excellent protection, minimizing injury risks in case of falls. The added rubber padding on the back supports the spine, enhancing safety during rides. To prevent accidents, the reflective logo improves visibility in low-light conditions. Crafted with durable 600D Cordura fabric, the jacket is built to withstand the toughest conditions, while its breathable lining and waterproof zippers keep you comfortable in any weather. Whether it's winter or summer, this jacket is designed to regulate body temperature for optimal comfort. With adjustable straps and a range of sizes, it's an essential piece of gear that fits well and keeps you protected on every ride. Number 4. ILM Leather Motorcycle Boots. In any beginner motorcyclist's gear collection, strong boots are essential for safety and comfort. These CE-certified leather boots offer durability with their high-quality full-grain leather construction and robust rubber soles. The zipper and buckle closure make them easy to put on and remove, eliminating the hassle of laces. Designed with a padded protector, they provide extra protection in the gear shift area, ensuring longevity and shielding the toes. The breathable mesh lining adds comfort, keeping feet cool during long rides. The slip and oil-resistant rubber outsole ensures stability, enhancing wear resistance across various terrains. These flexible boots are not only ideal for motorcycling, but also suitable for hiking, work, and casual activities, making them a practical and stylish choice for new riders. Number 3. LEXIN 60C3 Motorcycle Cup Holder. This adaptable cup holder is a practical gadget for beginner motorcyclists, ensuring your drink stays secure on the go. With its upgraded 360-degree clamp design and sturdy 4-screw system, it provides enhanced stability, preventing the holder from loosening or spinning during high-speed rides. 2 anti-slip pads add friction for a firm grip on handlebars, keeping everything in place. Designed to fit poles or handlebars, it is adaptable to a variety of vehicles, including motorcycles, ATVs, scooters, and boats. The cup holder accommodates different bottle sizes and has a unique gear basket for a better grip, reducing the chance of spills. Made from durable, lightweight materials, this cup holder is rust-resistant and ideal for all weather conditions, making it a must-have for riders. Number 2. CTBQITOM Motorcycle Pants. These motorcycle pants, designed with cycling in mind, have strong YKK zippers, double plackets, and dual buttons. Stretch panels at the knees and waist add comfort and flexibility. Made from 97% cotton and 3% spandex, the fabric stretches for better movement. They come with removable level 2 armor for knee and hip protection, making them practical for both riding and daily wear. The slim, straight fit and 6 pockets combine style and function. Since sizes vary by brand, checking the size chart is important, especially if you're between sizes. They're also machine washable for easy care. Number 1. VIATERRA Motorcycle Riding Helmet Bag. This motorcycle helmet bag has a soft interior with fleece to prevent scratches. It fits full face and adventure helmets, including those with Bluetooth devices. Ideal for air travel, it has a sleek design that matches other luggage. A zipper pocket at the bottom offers extra space for gloves, a balaclava, or a wallet. You can carry it using the handle or backpack straps. The wide top opening makes packing and accessing the helmet easy, and long zipper pullers allow smooth use even with gloves, making it a practical option for riders needing protection and convenience. That's all for this video.